Deliquency presentation. So starting off here we have a timeline. At the very end we have labeling theory. Next to it we have routine activity. Then developmental and life course theory. And finally social neuroscience and biosocial theory. First off, labeling theory was developed by sociologist Howard Becker in the 60s and gained influence in the 70s. Suggests that deviance is not inherent in an act, but rather as a result of a society's reaction to that act. He argued that once someone is labeled as deviant, they may be more predisposed to seeking those opportunities in the future, which leads to more deviant behavior. According to Skaggs, labeling theory has significantly impacted society by influence how deviance and crimes are perceived and addressed. Overall, Becker's work shifted attention from the behavior itself to the societal processes and power structures that define and enforce labels of deviance. Next, we have routine activities theory, developed by Lawrence Cohen and Marcus Felsen in 1979, and it gained popularity in the 80s. Routine activity theorists explain that crime occurs when three elements come together. There's a motivated offender, there's a suitable target, and there's an absence of a capable guardian, which may deter the criminal from committing the crime. It emphasizes situational and environmental factors over individual motivations. Then we have self-control theory, contributed by Travis Herschel and Michael Gottfredson. Social control is defined as the ability to forego acts that provide immediate or near-term pleasures, but also that have negative consequences for the person. He argues that low self-control established in early childhood is the primary cause of criminal and deviant behavior. He emphasized the importance of effective parenting in developing self-control. He also suggests that individuals with low self-esteem are far more impulsive and sensitive to risk-seeking. And finally, it shifts focus from environmental and situational factors to internal personality traits. Now we have developmental life course theory, which explores how individual behavior, especially delinquency and deviance, evolves over time based on life events, social bonds, and personal development stages. It emphasizes that criminal behavior is dynamic and influenced by age. Finally, social neuroscience and biosocial theory focuses on how brain structures and functions are involved in social processes and behavior, whereas biosocial theory combines biological factors into the decision-making process. Comparing the two. Now, what are the similarities and differences between labeling theory and routine activity theory? Both explain criminal behavior, but from different perspectives. One's sociological, the other situational. They recognize the role of the environment and social context, and it can inform crime prevention efforts. The differences for labeling theory focuses on how society reacts to labels, and routine activity theory focuses on why the person did it. What are the differences between self-control and developmental? They both focus on crime over time, importance of early life, and behavioral continuity. The differences: self-control theory argues that self-control is established by ages 10 to 8 but remains stable. And then the key focuses to maintain internal traits and keep or increase low self-control. And in summary, early theories are emphasized by personal choice or biological factors. Sociological theories are highlighted by influence of the environment, and modern theories emphasize the interactions of genetics, brain development, and social experiences. Thank you all very much, and have a good day.